In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite new guests on ClickUp. If you work with clients, freelancers, or contractors who only need access to a few items, ClickUp's guest feature is perfect. You can invite people on any plan, including the free one. On paid plans, you also control exactly what guests can do with permissions. Before we start, a quick note on what you can share. Guests can be invited to specific items: folders, lists, individual tasks, docs, dashboards, goals, and templates. Sharing works from the folder level down, so you can't share an entire space or your everything view with a guest. This keeps your broader workspace private while giving outsiders just what they need. There are two types of guests on paid plans. View-only guests are unlimited and can only see what you share. They can't comment, edit, or delete. Permission-controlled guests can do more, like add items, edit, or comment, depending on what you allow. The number of these seats depends on your plan and member seats. Here's how to invite a guest. First, head to your spaces and open the exact place where the work lives. Navigate to the folder, list, or task you want to share. Hover over the item and open the ellipsis menu. Choose Sharing and Permissions at the bottom. In the Invite by Name or Email field, type the email address of the person you want to bring in and press Enter. In the User Role drop-down, switch the role from Member to Guest. Now, set the right permission level for that guest. Full access allows them to edit and even delete the item. Edit lets them modify the item and its settings, but not add new items or delete existing ones. Comment lets them add comments to tasks and adjust statuses or assignees. View only means they can see the item but can't make changes or leave comments. Choose what matches their responsibility so you keep control and minimize risk. When you're happy with the settings, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email your guest a link to join. If they don't already have an account, they can create a free one and jump straight into the items you shared. Prefer to send the link yourself? Click Copy Link to share it directly via email or your preferred chat tool. That's it. Quick and seamless. Use guests for short-term collaborations or when someone only needs to touch a small slice of your work. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more ClickUp tips. See you next time.